What is up, YouTube? We are back again on July freaking 4th. Holy water. Pretty sure you're supposed to scrub, not dump.
It has to be wet somehow, bro.
What did he say? But you know what day it is. Car meet. Gotta get the Benz ready for the car meet. Meet starts, registration starts at 8 to 10. It's 7:46 right now. We're gonna get there like 9:30. See what happens next. Just as McLean said, bro, hot as balls. But we're at the Benz meet. Check out the fits. Holy tough. Oh my days. With the hat, bro.
With the hat.
Holy no life. Heck no.
Bro, I'm Asian as fuck, and I was over there, and I was like, what's over there?
À la vie, mon amour, French setting fire, ça va, we glow, we arrive. Oh la la, petite fleur, moonlight white, good mood, easy ride. We shine, à la vie, mon amour, keep it alive. Ça va, we thrive.
We are in, boys. Yes, sir. So McLean, predictions on how this is gonna go. Are we gonna win everything?
Yeah.
Because we got that tough
There's
ass
not an
Benz.
award that I'm not gonna get.
Yeah, this thing definitely taking the freaking cake. Taking the cake, bro.
If they see it, then they'll vote for it. If they don't see it, then they just
Yeah, we got here a little late, but it's fine. Now we walk around and film.
Now we walk. God bless
Wow,
America.
look at this thing. Wow.
That is 4th of July. That's America right there.
And everybody I had around this part of
Wow. Are we serious right now? What? Is it a spider? What the? Oh, this interior is nice.
So we just got regular trucks now.
Sir, what's up with the truck? Oh my, this thing is mean.
Inside.
Sheesh.
LS2.
Oh, it's got its dyno numbers, bro.
Let's check his dyno stats.
Is Hilton gapping? 460. Hilton is getting gapped. What is this in the back? Chat, why you have a face in the back? The interior is kind of cool though.
Inside.
Oh shit, it's
See how I'm the only SL500?
Where we at, bro? Where the clean out cars at? This one's fire.
Somebody brought a slingshot, bro. Bring slingshots.
Where? Where?
Turn around.
We should make this a meme. A bunch of the cars. What the fuck? Okay.
You got suspension.
Aria. Guys, if you guys even think about wanting or owning a slingshot, please unsubscribe.
The MSU Mustang? It is you. Go Tigers. Go Tigers.
What are we doing? Took
The only modification is a light bar to the.
Buddy, you have a 2013 Ford F-150. Are we serious right now?
aka Medics.
If he want beef, he can have it. Roll up with them Apex straps, I'm causing havoc. If you want a beat, you can have it. You lost in a fake, you gon' see your fucking earth.
Like the ISIS gang.
You gotta keep it.
And now we're gonna go to the supercharged V6 section.
We got a V6 on slicks, guys. Really? Who white bodied their V6?
Guys, do we really have a V6 on slicks?
Who white bodied?
Why did we put this on the car, bro? It's a V6, bro. Supercharge the V6. This is not a demon, bro. Oh my days. Oh, this is not a Hellcat, bro. It's literally a V6. Another say it again.
Another souped up V6.
Maddox's car.
Yo, this is literally,
car.
bro. Who stole Maddox's car? He's at the beach right now. You look. Don't touch. But it's a V6. Are we serious?
Oh my gosh.
You know we out here in Einstein, bros. About to freak this stuff up. You know that shit dirty. Oh, gassy. Now after that phenomenal lunch break, it's time for the good car edits.
Ghost is my name and speed is my game.
Oh, my aura.
I need something like that.
Woo! We needed this, bro. Automatic 3-speed transmission. Oh my day, this thing gotta be mean, huh?
We trade the rush for a satin day. If thoughts run loud, we whisper low. Count to 4, let the soft bass grow. Je t'aime la vie, a simple vow. Take this light and wear it now. À la vie, mon amour. French 75, ça va, ça va. We glow, we arrive. Oh la la, petite fleur. Moonlight white, good mood, easy ride. We shine. À la vie, mon amour. Pour un revive. Ça va, we thrive tonight.
I can't start it up.
You gotta hop in, bro. If you don't, I will.
Get you some pictures.
Oh, W aura.
Only sag red line roofing and a Facebook post if you want to.
And the
Where do you find
sheesh. Sheesh. Oh my god, you said low.
Just about.
You either not saying tough ass 1997 SL500.
They haven't called foreign yet though.
Yeah, we have to wait until foreign.
Would you pick my car or a mint condition RX-7? It wasn't mint, okay? And it was like orange.
Bro, don't crash out, bro.
There's clear evidence of match fixing, but I don't know what you need to say.
Speak up.
Just look at
What's
it.
up?
And no award, no recognition, no nothing. There was one more import in this entire event, and I didn't win. It's time to go home.